Magandang buhay! Isang magandang event ang nangyari sa araw na yan. Yan ang 50th anniversary ng Charismatic. Diba? Ang saya, of course, with the Holy Mass. Yan yung shirt namin na golden anniversary. Yellow and red. We are so blessed on that day. And of course, hindi mawawala ang praise and worship. Ang saya ng sayawan. Yes, and of course, merong palaro at ang saya. And then, jamming yung mga kabataan. And very nice night. And pictures. Magandang buhay habang nagsiswimming sa umaga. At nakapagbandaw na ako. And then, video ulit bago umuwi. And hi guys.
Hi guys.
Cookit Island. Magduduts.
Hi guys. Janet, mega love shout out imong mother dear. Hey guys, video po ko guys. Gana guys, bye.
And that's me. Thank you for watching, everyone.
Hi vlog, welcome to
Follow me as I follow you. Thank you.
Follow me.
Thank you for watching and always have a nice time in this life.